Hello, good morning. Yep, CPI dropped. And at the moment, the CPI high is taken. Expect a 10 a.m. manipulation, maybe to the lows. If we don't get a 10 a.m. manipulation, probably sweep the highs, then you can look for a pullback or reversal 10 a.m. But problem with is this CB. The problem with this CB is a big price magnet and the 3rd March buy side, the all high. That's the pretty much the last high on a higher time frame. Above any close proximity imbalance. We don't have one for the ES, so expecting some sort of SMT divergence at the highs, and it's quite tricky here because we have a new week opening gap below and a huge daily busy below. Anytime price can just drop and rebalance some of this imbalance here, but at the moment we have a very strong 4-hour candle, which I think it will go to this CB without any stopping. And because a lot of traders at the moment are trying to short this rally, and hence that's why it feel the whole pump because of the buy stops. Basically, I think most of the trader, they shorted from this highs and they got wrecked and keep on revenge trading, try to pick the top, because this is a human psychology. If is how to say, the thrill to be right picking a top, which is very good. If you nail the top, a lot of traders like to do that. So if price proven them wrong, they would like to get back in whenever they saw a pullback, and that's why the price keep pumping, because their buy stop, basically smart money is selling into their buy stops. They keep buying higher, and until price reach this imbalance where the smart money has their orders waiting there to be filled, and some more up here. Price doesn't have to take this high. If ES is taking this high first, NQ doesn't have to, and then we have a higher time frame SMT bearish one, and you can look for a retracement back inside the 12 May daily candle. That's about how I look at the market at the moment. There's nothing you can do at the moment because the price is one-sided. I longed these earlier can see right here at this candle. You can see my execution, get it right at the top. My bias is like this because I saw this CPI pump and price starting to drop back down into this wick, the quadrants level, the 25, the quarter level, and found support. Price went back up above this volume imbalance here. I took a long here when the candle closes above this consequent encouragement of this busy, and I saw this time distortion, and then I know this is gonna play out because the buy stop is building up. Look at this sideways, is tricking traders to short, and the clean highs I marked out here. Once price drop, then it makes sense because they make traders committed to short here. Even more engineering, even more buy stops, and took this low out. My stop losses was below somewhere here and was protected because the wicks did all the damages, came back up, find support at this 1 minute busy. You see the wick, tap it and leave. That's the 9:30 open. Judas wing down, turtle soup, leave it. Left a first presented fair value gap. The 9:34 candle, tap it just with a tick and displacement up, took out the high, and I got out of there. I couldn't hold it, but it can always come back and sweep the low one more time before going back up, so it's not worth it. But now macros is running higher, higher, higher. Like I said, daily busy, CB, likely the draw. Yes, it's the same. Yes, has no daily imbalance, only the high. So yeah, where is that? Oh yeah, it's got that volume imbalance here, so expect to go a little bit higher into the volume imbalance. You see, it's right above the old high. Yeah, it will get filled. So yeah, these targets I posted in the Discord earlier on. It's pretty obvious. If you also watch the ICT content, I think he posted today. He also pointed out these highs are likely to be the draw. And yeah, also there's a bullish SMT. I forgot to see this. ES swept the CPI low, which is a strong signal for going higher. You can just blindly long here, really. Put the stop loss below here and aim for this high. It's a very, very easy, clean, one-way trending day. Until price trade into here, don't try to short this. Any drop is to grab orders from here to go higher. So if you manage your risk properly, you can use a micro. You can long when there's a pullback, maybe been to this low, and we have some equal lows here, and have stop loss below this first presented fair value gap. It's very wide. That's why I said you need to trade micros. Try to avoid this huge stop loss. Like here, 50 points, maybe a little bit lower, but the risk reward is still 3R. If you took 1 micros, 2 micros, that's 170 points. I think it's worth. 10 a.m. open. So this is it. 10 a.m. power of 3. Here's the open. So it depends how deep the retracement is, okay? But this 4-hour candle will print. I think it will print like this. It may wick and chop for half an hour, maybe, or just go for it now and do a retracement at 10:30. It's very hard to say. There's a devil's mark here. If you look at this whole leg up, the 50%. Yes, it's around here. So 50% of the range. If you want to wait, maybe you can wait for price to come back to 50% of this range to take this continuation higher. It may not just do the retracement. It may leave the whole 4-hour candle open, the breakaway gap, and shoot up straight away. Look at the 5. Yeah, 5. You got a 5-minute fair value gap here. The ideal situation is to put that price to come back into the first percent fair value gap and go from there. Sometimes they don't. price just trending so much, won't even bother, and that becomes a target for retracement later on around 11:30. So we really need to see how price going to trade into there. If it takes the whole AM section just to reach up here, then you probably get some sort of retracement during the PM. YM, I think YM will go somewhere here. Yeah, this is doable if you look at this long 1.5R. This current oil, US crude oil long is going well. This long I shared in the VIP channel, and the DXY is expecting to, like I posted in the group, is expecting that this candle got rebalanced, and once price hits this weekly bullish inversion CE, expect some bounce here and continuation. If price closed below and took out this equal lows here and close inside the new week opening gap, then we will see lower dollar. Lower dollar means the euro is gonna go higher, because I said before, this euro is at the key level, reversal key level, so that's the cable. And gold, if dollar is dropping, then gold will hold this low and come back up into this daily busy. Let's see, how about ES? Yes. ES took the CPI high, took the CPI low here. I need SMT. SMT around here, so no, small one. So now inside this CB, nothing we can do. YM is struggling at the moment, but once price close above the weekly opening gap, I think it will take off. and my today's target for YM is this volume balance. This is watch out for the SMT for the oil. Price going to trade into the CE and react from there, and retrace, maybe retrace lower back into this 5 minute. Don't try to short this because that is not a day to short. You need to look for retracement to long, at least for the AM section, until price reaches this high time frame key level. Because the our goal is just focusing on getting price to these high time frame PDOAs. Any retracement back inside this equilibrium range, we'll look for longs, and this is the first presented fair value gap is the last defense for the bullish bias for today. Anything trade below here will indicate want to go lower to take out this CPI low, but I don't think today price want to do that. Thing about the weekly profile is either a Tuesday high or Wednesday high of the week. That's why they put CPI in the midweek, and you will see usually non-farm payroll is on Friday, right? So Friday you will get a reversal. If you don't get a reversal on Thursday, you may get a reversal on Friday. So you will see non-farm payroll usually will have a reversal pattern. CPI will be a continuation pattern because it's in the either the Tuesday or Wednesday. And if we have a low Monday low of the week and Wednesday high of the week, this is the ICT weekly profile. If you have time, you can go and Google it. It's everywhere. 200 points. It's gonna trend. A lot of traders got hurt by shorting this. Like I said, the YM, like, $1.8R. Now, yeah, like I said, I took this long for the YM. It will continue to go higher. This is the target. Yes, we'll hit this. And now we reach the consequent encouragement of this CB, but I think it's not done. I think we'll go to the 3rd of March, the buy side. Like I said, the 10 AM candle, little wick, and shoot all the way up into this high time frame PDOAs, and we will have a Tuesday high here. These drops are just inducement to trap trader to too short. You got a sweep. Yes, you can try this. $1.6R. $1.5. this is a BPR. Risky though. We have a 10 AM open here. We have a devil's mark. No more. Now the equilibrium is around here at the 10 AM open. So the 5, 1, 2, yeah, too many. Yes. If you see this if you have this indicator ICT everything, it has standard deviation tool. What it does is it will project this Asia range, and using this Asia range to project the standard deviation. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now price is in the standard deviation 4 level. It can show you roughly where price will likely to go. So this one is what? It's okay. Let's see how the dollar is doing. Dollar is holding up. So if dollar is has no interest in this the tariff candle, likely it will continuing higher, aiming for this high. That I will put pressure on this. It will now it's forming a change in state delivery now. It's a shift in trend. Now this wick is not good for, so like a stop hunt. This is no closure below here. Once YM, the next 5-minute candle open above here. This is another long, and aim for higher price, previous daily high. Yeah, this is a really good R, because there's no point longing NQ, and yes, it's already extended too much. Because look at NQ, it has traded into the negative standard deviation 2, and for power of 3 it should deliver higher. I'm looking standard deviation 1, standard deviation 2, 3 and 4, and you have a target here at these confirmed levels. Thank you. Good. We have to watch how the dollar's doing here, because it swept these equal lows. If dollar doesn't decide not to drop, so look at the yields are quite high and bonds are dropping, so dollar is strong. Because euro just swept these high, and this daily candle not look too bullish on the euros with a devil's mark, so this is gonna end up become a bearish one. And these are the targets. For euro. No closure below this point, so expect grind higher and take out this third March buy side. Gold found support. Probably will trade back into this busy for gold to knock out the short traders before going lower. They are heading to the buy side. Any retracement for the ES and NQ is an opportunity to long. At the moment, the 50% of the range for the NQ is near this 10 AM open, and we have a devil's mark here. but I'm not sure will price retrace all the way back here. Probably would sweep the high first, and then that is more like a reversal target, and first presented fair value gap is the final defense for bullish scenarios. We have one more devil's mark here. Lots of devil's mark actually. Here one, you got one here, you got one here. YM, if this new week opening gap is holding, if prices can get back above the consequent encouragement of this new week opening gap, then we should look for this previous daily high, because there are so many buy stops resting above here. This is a time distortion which will building engineering more liquidity, like from both sides. So price will drop, likely to do this back in the range hop, and then final decision to go higher. Like this. It will drop to fake everyone short, come back into range, go up, fake everyone up, break out, come back in the range, stop them, then go for that. Price did already swept the sell side, a minor sell side, so got minor buy side. I think we'll get a move around 11:30, where price will do a chop, form some retail bull flag, make some phantom trend line, so they, in order to build up liquidity. So we will do a fake out from both sides before going that. ICT call it the fail bull flag, which will, you see how price, look at these wicks, they line up perfectly, don't they? Yeah. So this drop, we're going to go down a little bit, back inside the range, take out more sell stops, come back inside, and then a lot of traders will short, more buy stops above the price, and grind it until 11:30. So YM no close above, so no trade. I already banked the long here, exit right at the top. Oh, beautiful 1.5R. Okay, dollars decided to move now. So yes, this is the where dollar is gonna go, into this tariff candle, and euro should start moving, aiming for the previous daily high, and you can do this. It's a 1.8R, but I won't go for the full TP. Probably somewhere around here. 1.3, 1.3R, something like that. Because you have a gap. Yes, the gap probably gonna get rejected from the gap. Okay, 1.3. And the pound is stronger. Should be good. You don't have to stick to NQ, you know. It's already extended so much. There's nothing you can do rather than chasing it. And you know, if you pull a reversal and drop 100 points, then you are out, you know. It's all about hitting the base, you know, getting base hit. So 1.1R for the pound. Euro is 1.3. Gold, let's look at gold. Yes, a pretty obvious target. Asia, let's see the projection. Standard deviation 1. Back into the 2R. Here you go. 2R for gold. Back inside this BC. Take out this high. A 2R trade. And then price should reverse from there. Like this. And you can wait. You can either wait like this, you know, 2 trades setup. They're pretty simple. Take out this high. This is Sunday opening high. Take out Monday high. Monday high, sorry. Monday high, take out Tuesday high. Form a Tuesday high. High of the week. Back inside this BC. As an inversion. And reject. See that? See how price bang around here? That's a perfect. How coincident is that? Yeah. These things are not random. Yes, breaking down. That fair pullback. Something like that. I don't know how to draw it. Don't short the strength of this rally. You're asking for trouble. So pretty much the whole world is pumping. You see that Nikkei, the DAX, the Hang Seng, the UK FTSE, the Euro, pretty much all pumping. Yen, dollar yen, short-term targets these equal highs, but because the dollar is dropping, it's quite hard for dollar yen to go that high. See? We have a small, very tiny SMT. Don't think that's one. Yeah. Here. And the deep, fast drop. Take out any sell sign is the opportunity to turtle soup. This probably is another fake out. Back inside the range. Maybe chop a little bit more. I'm not sure, but you can try. But its price is extended so far away. I don't like this setup. That's too good to be true. I mean, if price bang around here until lunch, that is good, because then during the lunch macro we will get a stop hunt, taking out all these sales off, and to the 2 p.m. candle can trade back down, wick, and then finishing the job. So that's an inducement, I think. The breakout traders are looking to go long now, and price will come back inside the range again and go lower, take out their sell stop. If ES is go higher, I will look for IM long, because that's a more reasonable, not as extended as these two. Dollar's dropping hard, which is good. Euro's doing well. See that? Yeah. These two are easy trade. Okay, making a move. Bearish SMT with ES. Dollar is working its way back inside this tariff candle. Expect the half, the mid of this gets filled, and the euro should be reaching the target. This gap, new week opening gap. Okay, so this pound is almost there. YM is going to take out this low. Once euro hit this new week opening gap, make a rejection. So same as the pound. Target still remain the same, buy side Yields are coming down. Time distortion, 11 o'clock. I think should start to see some movement. New eye candle means a new power of 3. So let's see if we get any manipulation. Manipulation. Let's see if we get a wick. Take out these sell stops. But he has already swept the low, so I'm not sure will NQ do that again. Watch the consequent encouragement of this CB. Price may find some support bouncing off this level. Sweeping the sell side. This is a manipulation. The 1 hour open. There's no clock open here. Stop hunt. So depends how deep it wants to go. See the stop hunt, this equal highs. Is it going to sweep this? I'm not sure. This soup. We have a bullish busy, the 1 hour busy. Moving higher. This is the equilibrium level, lines up with this 10 AM open. Still inside this manipulation. This 1 hour open, 11 AM. Wicks do the damages. If we close back above the opening price, then yes. Then aim for this. This is just a wick. You can do this 1.5. Targeting the high of this CB. Yes, the same. Dollar continuing to drop. Looking good on the euro and pound. So this manipulation is done. Sweeping the sell side. Now it's heading to the buy side. This euro long is much easier. You can move your stop loss up a bit. Like this. Oh, there you go. Nice one. Okay, that's all for today. So it's very slow, and yeah, just watch this high, and the PM session probably will see some reversal back inside the range, getting these sell stops and devil's mark. Okay, until then, I will see you soon. Tomorrow? Yes, I think tomorrow. And thanks for watching. Bye bye now.